What's good, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And as you guys can tell by the title, I got me some Chanel. Yeah, we got Chanel today. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this video is sponsored by Coeebags. That's C-O-E-E bags, and they was kind enough to send your girl one bag. So I'm super excited. Listen, but when it comes to brands, I'm not really into spending money on big name brands like that. Like, I'm not really into those type of bags. But if they were at the price that they are with Coeebags, I would probably buy it. So I got my first, this is not my first rodeo. I do have a faux, aka fake Gucci bag, and now I have a faux Chanel bag. So I don't know if the Chanel bag is going to look authentic or not. You guys can tell me. They sent your girl a Chanel mini backpack, but the way they spell Chanel is CH, the @ and yall mini backpack. So this is it on their website, guys. Okay, right here. And it's for the price of $369. You need about 7 to 10 working days. Let's get into like the unboxing and how it looks, how it came, and all of that, how it smells. I'm gonna give you guys the discount code right now, so I don't forget. It's GLAM13 for 13% off the website. Their Instagram is BAGSTOP88. Like, if you guys are into, you know, faux bags, faux name brand bags, because a lot of the times they do be looking spot on, you guys might as well go ahead and try it. When the package came, it came in a second box, and then this was in a second box. So it came like this, a very discreet box. The black box, the Chanel box, was already broken, and this is my first time opening or pulling it out of the box. The Chanel box itself is broken. So this is how it came. And I'm just gonna rip that off. It came with this foldable Chanel bag, which I'm gonna use as decoration on my bookshelf. And it comes with a dust bag, Chanel. Comes like this. I did not expect the bag to be this small, but it's so pretty though. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it. But it's so tiny. This is the book bag, just the backpack. Okay. It comes with the straps. They're a little bent up, but these are the straps here. It's cute, guys. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know if it looks authentic or not, guys, so we're gonna do a close-up. I feel like it does. I mean, I don't know, it definitely looks spot on. They do have it in different colors, but I decided to get it in pink because, hello, like, it's Barbie, bitch. But anyway, so this says Chanel inside, made in Italy. It has the Chanel with a code. I wonder if it has that code in it. But anyway, this is the inside. All of that inside of it. This backpack is $369 on Coeebags. All the designer bags that are purchased will be dispatched in its original designer packaging, including original box, card, dust bag, and receipt. They have shoes, belts, bags. They have Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Dior, YSL, Fendi. Give it a try and see if you see anything that you may like. I didn't know what to choose. I was all over the place with choices because it looks good. Like, I definitely want more bags. It does come with a tag here. The tag is saying Chanel. It does show a black bag, and it has a little QR code there and all of that. I'm not sure if that's what comes on Chanel, I will try to find the actual price of this bag. And there's so many reviews on YouTube with Coeebags, guys. Like for instance, ooh, they have these bags on the site. So many other bags. Ooh, phone dropping. They have so many other bags, so many loafers. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So the bag definitely smells like a new, like, name brand bag. It smells good. It smells like a fresh bag. So let's see how much the real price of this Chanel bag, because I know Chanel bags are $6,000, $7,000, $5,000, $4,000. So this bag actually looks identical to the one on the Chanel website, and the bag is $7,650. I also see it for $7,268. So it's literally over $7,000 for this bag. And on Coeebags, you can get it for $360, $64. Definitely looks identical. And I just love the bag so much. I can't wait to wear it. Let's put it on. Let's see what we're working with. It's a little small. It's definitely giving small. I will say that. It's small on my back and it's at the last thing. So I would just wear it like this. You can hold it like this if I wanted to. Or I can just hold it like this. Hold it like this. I wish it was longer though for the girls that are larger. So I will say that. I am plus size, and the straps could have been a little bit longer. I'm gonna try to like put something on the straps so that they can straighten out a little bit and not look so bent up. But overall, the packaging could have been better. Like the box, I don't like that my box was messed up. Definitely like the bag. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know if you would give Coeebags a try. The smell is good. The look is good. The feel is good. The bag is cute. I'm digging it. I don't know, I like it. So I do wish it was bigger, but it does say mini, so keep that in mind. And yeah guys, before you do anything, you know, do your research, look on YouTube. There's so many reviews. Some people are doing like reviews on like the real one and a fake one, or the faux one. But yeah, it's a knockoff Chanel bag. And yeah, definitely stay tuned for more, because I will be working with them again, because I love the bag. Let's see what the pockets is giving. Okay, so the pockets have stuffers in them. Both pockets have stuffers in them. I'm gonna leave that in there until I'm ready to wear the bag. But the bag itself, I like that the bag was packaged like securely, very much securely, so nobody doesn't think, oh yeah, Chanel something, or I don't know. It was just packaged securely, and I love that it comes in a duster bag and a Chanel gift bag. That's dope. So yeah guys, don't forget to use my code GLAM13. Definitely let them know that I sent you. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tap that bell to be notified when your girl uploads. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.